Tri o'r gloch. Pnawn da, croeso nôl. Welcome back to Deg am Dri. Ooh. That's my reminder that I've got my Facebook lesson starting now. Okay, so, da iawn for taking part. Diolch I chi in the quiz yesterday. So, we want to say particular da iawn to Delys Jenkins, da iawn Emma Powell, da iawn Mair Francis, shwmae Mair, a da iawn Fiona Sutherland Payne for doing so well in yesterday's quiz. And the answers were, this is cawl, or even cawl tomato. This is smwddio. This is pysgod, or pysgodyn, pysgod. The next number in the sequence was 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer to the sum 5 adio 5 is 10. Da iawn chi. So welcome to Gwers Gymraeg. And yesterday was dydd Mawrth. So today is dydd Mercher. Dydd Mercher. Now, if you know any Welsh at all and you live in South Wales, you'll know that the word for girl is merch. So to make that into a Wednesday, it's dydd Mercher. Croeso. Gwers Gymraeg, dydd Mercher. Okay, better. I hope you realise that by now you can make up tens, possibly 100 or more different sentences and questions. Just have a think. How would we say, I'm okay? Dwi'n iawn? We're okay? Dyn ni'n iawn? Ask me as a friend, are you okay? Wyt ti'n iawn? And ask both of us if we're okay. Dych chi'n iawn? And of course, you know so many more other things to say at the end than just iawn. But today, we're going to start talking about other people. No gossiping, just pure facts. Okay, so to say she is, we say mae hi, mae hi, mae hi. Mae, exactly the same as the English pronunciation, my Teddy. I know that he can sound a little bit confusing to begin with. He is a man in English, but he is a girl in Gymraeg. So she is mae hi. Try it. Mae hi. Mae hi. So, she's okay. Mae hi'n iawn. Mae hi'n iawn. Mae hi'n iawn. Try it. Mae hi'n iawn. Eto. Mae hi'n iawn. So, how would we say she's working? Mae hi'n gweithio. She's watching cyw. Mae hi'n gwylio cyw. She's learning Welsh. Mae hi'n dysgu Cymraeg. So you can probably understand me if I say things like, oh, mae hi wedi blino. Mae hi eisiau paned. Mae hi'n hoffi Disney. Mae hi'n darllen Harry Potter. Okay? All of these things you can understand. Mae hi. So today's quiz is to do with our recap, because we have to keep going over these important patterns. Type up, how do we say, I'm okay? Don't worry about the spelling. This is a speaking course. How do we say, we're okay? How do we say, just ask me, are you okay? And finally, ask Teddy and I, Are you okay? But today we're concentrating on my he. She is. She's okay? Mae hi'n iawn. Now, as well as meaning she is, my he also means it is. And we know, of course, from the context if we're saying she or it. Gwers Gymraeg, and we haven't spoken about the tywydd, about the weather. My children would never believe that. So, this picture, hopefully, is showing you a nice day, like the weather we're having at the moment, to be honest. So, to say it's nice, mae hi'n braf. Think of the Costa Brava. Mae hi'n braf. Mae hi'n braf. Close up there, as you can see. Mae hi'n wyntog. Mae hi'n wyntog. It sounds a little bit like windy, doesn't it? Wyntog. Mae hi'n wyntog. You try? So this one. Mae hi'n braf. Mae hi'n wyntog. Something we're not saying a lot at the moment. Mae hi'n oer. Mae hi'n oer. Say it with feeling. Mae hi'n oer. Mae hi'n oer. It's like saying oi and then putting a Mae hi'n oer. Try. Mae hi'n oer. Da iawn. Mae hi'n oer. Mae hi'n braf. Mae hi'n wyntog. Mae hi'n oer. One more, which we're not needing much at the moment, and I hope this shows that it is raining. It looks a bit stormy as well. But to say it's raining, we have two words. Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. In Gymraeg, it's hitting rain. Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Try it. Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Da iawn. Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Mae hi'n braf. Do you remember we say da iawn? Very well, very good. So to say it's very nice, mae hi'n braf iawn. Mae hi'n braf iawn. Mae hi'n wyntog iawn. Mae hi'n oer iawn. So we can't use bwrw glaw, but maybe you'd understand if I said, mae hi'n stormus iawn. But it's raining, mae hi'n bwrw glaw. So, today's new work is mae hi. She is, it is. And if we have a look at this photo, they're both correct, aren't they? We can say, mae hi'n oer. She's cold. Mae hi'n oer. It's cold. So, draw all our patterns. I'm cold. Dwi'n oer. We're cold. Dyn ni'n oer. Ask me if I'm cold. Wyt ti'n oer? And ask us, are we cold? Dwi'n oer. Ond heddiw, today, oh gosh, hi'n braf. Mae hi'n braf iawn yn ton yr efail. Yeah? Mae hi'n braf. Mae hi'n braf iawn. Dwi eisiau mynd am dro. I want to go for a walk. My one daily exercise. Dwi eisiau mynd am dro. Diolch yn fawr iawn. To have a look at this mae hi, new pattern online, go to Llun-Gwener and specifically maybe at uned 2 where you'll see mae with eisiau. But also you can have a little look at uned 4. Fawr. Gwelai chi fory.